What about famous entrepreneurs? I have a great article. If you type in bankingtruths.com/Walt, it's Walt Disney, Ray Kroc from McDonald's. If you watch that movie with Michael Keaton, bought out the McDonald's brothers, and J.C. Penney. Now, they each use their life insurance in a different way. They each had it, and it either helped them start, grow, or save their business. But when the sky was falling around them, or they couldn't get liquidity, or the banks wouldn't provide them liquidity because they didn't see the vision of their dreams. I love the saying by Bob Hope that says, a bank is a place that will loan you money if you can prove you don't need it. All of these entrepreneurs lean on their own life insurance cash value and borrowed against their life insurance to go ahead and either start, grow, or save their business. That ought to tell you something. It also should tell you there's been books, several books, some of them better than others, but a lot of people love to canonize the ancient text of infinite banking. What I say, it's been happening ages before any of those books. And what you all should be doing now, certainly I revere the early texts and give credit where credit is due for bringing this strategy to light. Otherwise, I wouldn't know about it. But what we pride ourselves on is making the most modern day and mathematically efficient interpretation of that, right? And it's all about arbitrage. It's all about maximizing liquidity, maximizing living benefits, and obviously, needless to say, a book that was written 20 some years ago, it's almost 30 years ago, cannot be relevant today in a mathematical context because there's already been 2 to 3 major changes, iterations in the industry itself.